So continuing with the project library, now I'm going to show you another useful item you can add. And what I'm going to show you is a location description or details. And of course, to add this, you're just going to do it the same way. Click the Add button. I get a little pop-up. Click Location. And then you can write your name and choose a folder. But just to show you, I'm going to pick one that's already on this example. And this is basically, you take a location in your script, and this is like from a production standpoint, you pick out where you're going to shoot that location. And this is all the information about where you're going to shoot a particular location in a script. And especially if you're going forward with a production, a very important thing to add. So here's the location, Old Factory / going to be the Emerald City. And then you've got a description of the actual physical location. It's an old tobacco factory. And then over here you can add some media. They've got a picture of it and a map to it. So you've got your address and even a link. You can link to the map right here. And then below that you have the scouting and selection. So you've got scouted for scenes, and then you've got the scene that it's in. And they've even got this cool little pick list right here. So you can add all the scenes that this location is at. And these scenes are taken straight from your screenplay that you've written in Celtx. And then you've got selected for scenes. So you can choose between it's scouted for certain scenes or selected for scenes, and it works the same way. It's got a pick list right here. Again, I can minimize these if I want. Then you've got the contact information of the location. Probably very important to fill this out, especially if you're collaborating in your Celtx project. Maybe one person grabs his contact information, puts it in right here, then everybody can see it. And then you've got some actual information about the physical location. Dates available, square footage, is there an elevator? The rental cost, very important. Power capabilities, another important thing. Light sources, noise issues, washroom locations, parking information, and just basic comments. So you can see maybe some things you didn't even think about, like noise issues. They've already got all these things written out for if you're new to productions, you wouldn't think about light sources or noise issues or parking information. And Celtx has all these useful things kind of in these little boxes, so you know that this is important and you can figure this out and fill this out. And if you are experienced in production, you know that these are important and they're just all right here in convenient location. So that's how you add I call it a location profile, or a description of a physical location that is a location in your screenplay. So that's a location profile item that you can add to your project library.